My name is Adeseke Mary Kekere. I am student of Afaku College, class of High Diploma of Ministry. The title of my presentation is the summary of my essay on the importance of diligence of biblical patterns of Old Testament worship and orderliness in our contemporary Christianity, service and society. Title of my presentation: Summary of the importance of diligence of the Bible patterns of the Old Testament worship and orderliness in our contemporary Christianity, service and society. Abstract: The summary of this presentation is based on the importance of diligence of the biblical pattern of the Old Testament worship and orderliness in our contemporary Christianity, service and society. Worship is the act of actively reflecting honor and homage to God, and the application of this pattern of worship should be practiced, maintained and observed in our contemporary diocese in modern Christianity, service and society. Biblical pattern of worship and orderliness. The application of the Old Testament biblical worship and orderliness is one of the major themes and message of the Bible. The impact and the importance of this pattern should not be left out in our contemporary Christianity, ministry, service and society. However, the key idea, challenges and principles include, but not limited to, the fact that 1. Worship in the mankind key of being a mortal in worship God. Orderliness in a way of process of following the instruction and guidelines. The challenges tasked to build and develop a biblical worship. The kind of worship and orderliness principle accepted by the Bible. The impact that this type of biblical worship and orderliness could have in our society and community. Worship has a special connection between human being and God. The power of the authority of increasing and multiplying of human being on the heart. The contemporary education of idea developed in my presentation include, but not limited to, the passage related to the theme, such as the 50th of Lord across carnalities for God people through Joshua, the enslavement of the people of Israel, Egypt and their deliverance through Moses according to the book of Exodus, Ezra and Nehemiah as an instrument of God, plans of reconciliation and restoration. Following the biblical pattern of worship and orderliness can be of blessing and of great benefit for us in the workplace, at home, and in relationships such as victory of the Lord, deliverance, security, protection and safety, restoration and reconstruction. The contemporary ministry and audience. The acknowledging and the awareness of relevance biblical law related to contemporary Christianity and ministry. The identification of establishment of the fact between secular and secular. The Bible fundamental principle of worship and orderliness. Christian baptism, Holy Communion, biblical worship and orderliness. Training and education, the society biblical pattern of worship and orderliness. Conclusion: the contemporary Christian life and ministry should adopt the pattern of biblical worship and orderliness and must be applauded from its ability to understand God's proper worship. The biblical orientation juridical theory is praiseworthy in its acknowledgement of early church culture throughout the administration of even the Old Testament, throughout the biblical theological system. Therefore, an application and implementation of Old Testament pattern of worship and essential. Thank you.